What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Financial Wolf channel. So today I wanted to make yet another in-person video because first of all, I do want to show you guys some more day-to-day operations when it comes to my phone flipping business, and I also have some updates to share with you guys. Since we are so close to 50 subscribers, I wanted to do some kind of contest / giveaway to thank you guys. So I will be announcing that at the end of today's video, but for now I just wanted to show you guys some awesome things that I'm doing currently with my phone flipping business. I just finished riding my bike to the post office and I dropped off the 256 gigabyte iPhone X. I paid $575 for the phone and I ended up selling it for $849.90 on eBay. So after everything, I made about $200 on this sale, which is one of my best sales ever. So guys, I've kind of hit a wall in my phone flipping business because literally almost all of my money is in my PayPal balance on hold. So it's really annoying because I can't buy phones until all of my items that I shipped are delivered to the person that bought them. So I literally have like $200 in my bank account and all the rest of my money, like $900, is in my PayPal balance on hold. So I kind of have to wait a couple days until I can continue buying phones and reselling them. Okay, so here's my PayPal account. I'm sorry I'm covering this part. I just don't want to release my customers' information on the internet. So here you go. This is my PayPal balance. As you can see, $916.89 on hold and only $50.33 in my PayPal balance. I have like $200 other dollars in my bank account, but that's pretty much it right now. So it's going to be a struggle to buy phones for the next couple of days. Okay, so now it is time for me to announce that I will be doing a stock market competition with me and all of you guys. So pretty much what I'm going to be doing is I created a contest on how the market works, and the link to that will be in the description. All you have to do is create an account with that website, type in like your Google password and email, and it'll automatically create an account for you, and then you just join this contest and you should be in the group. So pretty much you'll just trade stocks, and whoever wins from the dates of July 13th, this video won't be uploaded till the 14th, and it'll go until December 13th. So this contest will be live by the time you watch this video. So just go on the first link, click join it, and then the winner of this contest will receive a $25 gift card to a Visa or whatever you want to do. And you'll also be interviewed on the Financial Wolf channel, and I'll ask you all about how you pick stocks, because if you win this contest, you obviously know how to trade stocks. Okay, so here you guys can see all of the contest rules and stuff. So I have the contest name, I just named it the Financial Wolf YouTube, and then it's like ask me some other information. I made a little description where I kind of explain what we're doing here. I said like what the winner will receive. I also wrote that this is for all the subscribers to my channel. And then here are some of the rules. So we're doing this all in US dollars. $100,000 is what you start with. And it's a public classroom, so even if you're not like subscribed to the channel, you can still join. But if you guys are watching this, you obviously are. And I also allow buying on margin, short selling, day trading. You guys can pretty much do whatever to get you on top. And here you guys, you can buy US stocks, US mutual funds. I didn't really do the other stuff because most of you guys aren't really familiar with that. I'm not either. And I just made it no commissions for stocks. So it's kind of a Robinhood portfolio kind of thing. And then I said you can buy stuff on margin for this competition. And then obviously you can't reset your whole portfolio. And I will appear in rankings. But if I win, I'll just pick the second place winner. So here we go. Create. Oh, yay. Cool. It is now live, and I will upload this link in the description. So all you guys do is create an account from the link, and then join the contest, and you will be in for a chance to win $25 and an interview on the Financial Wolf channel. Okay guys, I think that about wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much if you made it to the end, and please be sure to like and subscribe if you have not already, as we are 1 subscriber away from 50 subscribers. So guys, if you are excited for this contest that I will be doing, please give me a comment down below and let me know if you have entered the contest, because I think it will be a lot of fun, and you guys have the chance to win a $25 gift card and a conference call on the Financial Wolf channel. Again, thank you guys so much if you made it to the end, and please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe to be one of the first to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget guys, top link of the description is how you enter the contest. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and peace out.